I'm going to test you now.
Thank you.
Right now, you're going to give a presentation, and I want you to tell the audience about the paintings on the wall. Talk about the paintings on your wall. I want to know about the art of your house.
Okay, let me try. This flower, my wife spent more than 1 year to finish it. And this word like 花开富贵. This for Chinese character, like we hope we get a bright future, someday in the future. My wife spent more than 1 year to finish it.
That painting was painted by your wife?
My wife.
Your wife is a painter?
Actually, this one is not difficult to do. Just it needs more, how to say that, attention, patience. It's not difficult. They are like a guidebook, and you just follow the guidebook so you can finish it easily. Just you need to pay more attention, and you need to have patience so you can do it perfectly.
You can say in English, it requires diligence.
Diligence, like a hard work.
Diligence.
Diligence. It is
Great
requires
job.
diligence. Oh, thank you.
Yes. Diligence means working very carefully.
When we got to know each other and we bought this one, and when we got married, she finished it. It means a lot to me, to her. It means a lot to our family. We will keep the painting forever.
You can say this is very symbolic.
Oh, symbolic, like a symbol of something, right? Symbol of our relationship.
Symbol of something. Yes, absolutely.
Symbol of our relationship.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?